Hi friends, in this session we'll be discussing about Surds and Indices questions. These questions will be asking in different kind of examinations like SSC, Railway NTPC, CHSL exams. In simplification section in banking exams also these questions are repeatedly asking. So I'll tell you simple tricks how to solve these questions so that we can easily solve these questions whenever these questions appear in the examinations. So let's start the questions so that we'll be understanding easily. So before directly jumping into questions, so we have some basic formulas. It's not like a formulas, like it's like a simple trick. So if you remember these things, it will be easy for you to crack any question from Surds and Indices. Okay, so like if you are having a question like this, so we need to follow this process. That's what I'm writing. So just try to keep this in your mind before attending these questions. So I'm not giving a big formula list on something like that. I'm just providing few of the important formulas. Okay, so just try to remember these things before attending these questions so that it will be easy. Okay, so let's directly solve the question so that it will be easy for you. Okay, so here is the first question. So they will be asking exactly these kind of questions, so let's see how we can solve this. So they are asking like a square root of 12 12 12 like that, and if it is having infinite times, so there is a simple trick called directly we can take the number. So x value is 12. So what I'm telling about this question is like, if you are having these kind of scenarios in the examination, so the trick I'm going to tell for this question is like, just take the directly number itself. X value is nothing but x is equal to 12. Okay, so infinite times the same number is repeating under a square root, the same number is the answer. So here answer will be 12. So let's see the another question. So here is the question. So they're asking certain kind of solution. So we know that if you are having in LHS part, we can say that answer will be 7, and in right hand side we'll be having like this. So 343 can be written as 7 cube, and we can simplify it and the answer will be, so we'll get the solution easily. Okay, so y is equal to 4 by 3. So here is the next question. So if they are asking a question like this, cube root of 64, cube root of 64 and till infinite times, so directly we can take it as cube root of 64. Okay, so if we solve that, we'll get the solution we are looking for. Okay, so just try to note down these all these tricks in a notebook, so it will be very handy for you whenever you are attending an examination. Okay, so here is the next question. So in under square root, there is like square root of 27 divided by square root of 27 until infinite times. If you are having a question like this, so here is the process we can solve this. Okay, so directly you can take it as x is equal to square root of 27 by x. Okay, so if we multiply the x on both sides, we'll get certain kind of equation. From that we can solve the x. Okay, so if you are having, next question is like, if you are having a question like this, so here 12 is repeating 6 times, right? So you can write 12 power 2 power 6 minus 1 by 2 power 6, so you'll get the value. Okay, so here is the next question. So if you are having a question like this, like just observe carefully. So square root of 42 minus something, you if you are having, then you will need to take the factors for 42, 6 and 7, and here in square under square root you are having minus, so your answer would be 6. Similarly, I am taking another question to explain better. So if you're having a question like this, so for 210 I'm writing factors as 15 and 14, and 156 I'm writing factors as 13 and 12. So from this, for plus value I'm taking 15, for minus value I'm taking 12. Okay, so the answer is going to be this. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this session. If you like this session, give thumbs up to this session and do share this presentation to your friends. Thank you.